bad. Lodgy. All right, I'll take that. Not a bad little start. First fish. I just hit the water and she said, see you later. So there you go. All right, girlie. He was really shallow. There you go. That's pretty good. Hopefully a bass. Nice lodgy. Nice bass with beautiful colors. All right. What a beautiful morning. Nice, nice fish. Pretty. Very pretty. Couple pounds. Nice. I'll take that. What's up, girl? Spring is around the corner. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Take that. Nice little gut on her. Getting ready to egg up. Let's go, girl. There you go. See you later. Oh, that feels pretty good. That felt pretty good on the hook set. Let's see. Ooh, quite good. Let's see. Nice bass. Nice chunk. Nice bass. It's good fish. 3-pound fish. Come on, you're pegged. Nice bass. It's a nice bass. It's a nice fish. It's probably 3. Bet you she's 3. Starting up. A long way before the spawn, but it's starting to come shallow. It's a nice fish. Beautiful fish, thick. Nice. Let's see what she goes. Yep, she's over 3. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. Nice. I'll take that. Nice fish. A solid fish. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. So, I'll take that. Beautiful fish though. I love the colors this time of the year. Nice stuff. Let her go. All right. Pretty fish. Thank you, girl. There you go. Nice. Stand down. Oh, she's down there. Here we go. Oh, nice pass. Nice fish. Come on, girl. All right. Not a bad fish. 1.5 pounds. There we go. Pretty fish. Good colors.
All the fish got good colors today. Nice. All right. Let's let her go. Pretty fish. Pick. What do you say, girl? Thank you. He's down in some stuff. Bass, small. Little girl. What are you doing there, you? Huh? Pretty little thing. Taking me down into the dead lily pads. That's what you're doing. Take me down into all the crap. Little, but I'll take it. All right, you pretty little thing. Grow up and get big. There you go. See you later.